Hello YouTube, Connor McClelland here. How you all going? I've got another washing machine here which I might just want to throw out, but I want to do a bit of entertainment because I thought I might just put a few bricks inside and destroy it, like how other videos you see people put bricks in their old machines before they throw them out. And actually, I might give it a go as well. And yeah, this machine's seen better days. The reviews aren't very good. It barely doesn't even fill up. It barely doesn't even spin. It doesn't even wash it. It comes out dry. It doesn't even do a good job. It's just a waste of time, a waste of effort using this machine. But I've got a new machine. It's a Simpson 8kg inverter front loader. You should probably check it out. It works like a legend. And I just put it on its cycle and I come back within an hour and the results are amazing. It is awesome, as you can be pleased. But this machine, nah, not so great. Seen better days, not very good reviews, as I said. But the machine I brought recently, I should say, has the best reviews. So, besides that, I've got a good working machine, and this one definitely no good. So I'm gonna just crash it and take it to the tip. But before I take it to the tip, I might just want to put a few bricks inside. So I've hooked up the motor so you don't have to turn it on, because it takes its time. It's just like a friggin' old person trying to do something, you know what I mean? So, all in all, let's get into it. The door doesn't stay open, so there's a couple to choose from, so I might just start off with this one. Pop it in here. Alright, the brick's inside, okay? Alright, here we go. Let's plug it in. Alright. Let's get it out of the way for you so it doesn't damage your camera. Alright. Here we go. It's not doing anything, is it? Alright, I've just got to do it safe. Alright, 5 seconds, starting then. Yeah, it does. I have an idea. Take off the counterweight block. That could be the why. That could be the reason why. Get a few nuts and bolts of it, so I might just chuck it in there with it. Don't mind it there, I don't really care. End of life of you. attempt number 4. Let's do it. In actual fact, I might just put the block in there itself, so not doing much difference to what we're doing. In fact, I might just do this instead. Okay? Alright, try again. I have another solution, just put that whole block in there itself. Attempt number 5. Could take that, could ya? Wow, that was so quick, honestly. Just fell in the paces, like literally. Oh my goodness. Oh, and my blower. Goodness me. Oh, and look at the pipe, it's twisted. Gosh. Wheeze, hey wheeze. Oh, and the wires come off the motor, so I'll have to hook it back up at some point. Look at it, it's just ripped in pieces. Oh no. Oh well, I'm just gonna I'll probably get a chance to finish it off with this one. So that brick there is, we've got to give it all we got. All right, everyone, now that I've done a good little clean up, this is all we got left. Or it doesn't look very stable. Oh yeah, the belt's just about to snap. Yeah, we're gonna use, we're gonna use this little one here, pop it in there, and we should be all set. All right, we're gonna give it all we got. Rest in peace, little fella. Just gotta give it all we got. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Hey, wheeze. It just bounced away and then look, that's what happened. Oh well, that's the end of it. Just broke into pieces in an instant. And yeah, but that's basically the farewell of it. And yeah, this is the rest of it. So the water pump has been torn off. All the screws came off, all the wires are ripped off. And yeah, it's even crushed the wiring harness as well. So it's barely had it. Barely had it. And the water pumps, no, the pressure switch, it's had a crack on the side. So it's had it. Look at all that dents on the side. Yeah, because something's been punctured through it. And yeah, surprising that's unclipped itself. It's just broke into one instant piece. Yeah, it has done quite a lot of damage, so that's a good farewell part. Yeah, look at that. Well, he's had it. Thanks for watching.